You're now rocking with the Fireboy. I'm funny little my job. Yeah. Yeah.
Hey guys, welcome back or welcome to my channel. If you're new, go ahead and tap that subscribe button and then turn on the notification bell so you'll be part of the notification gang and you will not miss any of my uploads. So you guys, excuse like the setting. I'm trying to use natural lighting, but the kitchen's kind of like right behind me, so sorry about that. But the company I'm going to be working with today with this cute bob is called New Star Hair. So New Star Hair is a seller on AliExpress, of course, and they did ship me some of their straight hair. I have in 3 bundles of their Peruvian straight. I believe it was 3 bundles of 12 and a 12-inch closure, and this is a middle part closure, so this closure came middle parted already. I literally just put it on after, you know, dyeing it and stuff, and then yeah, that's kind of all I had to do. I added a little bit of oil, but that's about it. I did cut it myself, and I'm not a pro, so this hair has been great. This hair is literally super soft, and it's super flowy, and you know, like I said, it's bob season. I'm just showing you guys you can make your own bob. It's very easy, so that is really what I'm doing in this video. This isn't so much of a review, but the hair has been bomb thus far. It's really pretty and soft. It has its own type of luster, and I did add just a little bit of oil on the top just to lay that down because, you know, they just lay better. But shipping with this company was really fast. I actually got this hair before, I think, the day that I left to NOLA, so it wasn't the best time because it kind of pushed back the days that I would be posting it, and then like a whole bunch of other stuff just came into play. That is why you guys are just now seeing this. So basically in this tutorial I'm just going to show you guys how I got this pretty black bob, and it was relatively easy. All you really need is shears and black dye and some hair, and this hair is pretty good and it's very affordable if you guys were to get the bundle that I got. 12 inches is what I would recommend just because you're cutting it. I do just want to thank New Star Hair for being very patient with me because this has taken so much longer than anticipated, and I deeply apologize for that. I do know that when I discuss things with certain companies that I'm working with, I have to stick to my end of the bargain, and it looks like I wasn't sticking to my end of the bargain, and that was not it. Shit happens. I'm a busy person. I just got back from NOLA and had 1,000,001 things to do. My life doesn't revolve around YouTube videos, and that's just how it is. So the video is up now, and you know, that's all that matters. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Let me know in the comment section if you enjoyed. I love you guys so much, and I will see you all in the next video.
Okay guys, so what you're going to need is 3 bundles in a closure or frontal, whatever you like, but the hair that I got is from New Star Hair on AliExpress. All of the links will be below. So I did use Adore. I love Adore. It's very affordable. It was about $4.99 a bottle at my local beauty supply, and I did use Jet Black because I think super like black like chunky bobs are so cute. So yeah, you're gonna need that, and obviously you're going to need a brush to put the dye on and some aluminum foil. See, when I am dyeing any hair, I like to wrap it in aluminum foil. It just allows the, you know, product to heat and color well. So I'm just showing you guys what the bob is looking like before. Yeah, it just looks like short hair, not really the most attractive or appealing, I guess. So yeah, we finna get this together. So as you guys can see, I'm just, you know, covering the countertop with some aluminum foil. I definitely should have had more, but I literally bought a large Tupperware from Dollar Tree for all my dyeing, and after each like coloring session, I guess, I just rinse it out, and that works best for me because the dish that you get from like Sally's or something is way too small, and my dye always gets everywhere, or my developer always gets somewhere when I'm mixing it, and that's very inconvenient. But yes, I did use the whole 3 bottles. You honestly could just use 2, and that colored the hair pretty darn good. guys, so I am literally just putting that dye onto the hair. This is just a disclaimer, this is probably the worst dye, you know, the most laziest dyeing tutorial. I honestly was over it because it was really late. I had to go, I had to be up early the next day and I was filming this, and y'all, I just dipped it in there. Like, I just got it over with. Honestly, I started pouring it in some more, but it got done and it colored well. It didn't get on the lace, so I was really happy about that. But yeah, I'm just coloring the hair, and this Adore works really, really good. Alright guys, so as you guys can see, I let it sit overnight, rinsed it out with some conditioner. I didn't use shampoo because I feel like shampoo definitely takes the color away. Like washing it so much, it just like bleeds and it looks terrible in my opinion. So I never really wash hair after, but these shears you can find at your local beauty supply. They were like $1.29, and I recommend using these because they're literally like the best for cutting hair. You can literally just cut the hair and go about your day. Like, you won't have to go over it again. You know, you just cut, it's gone. And also, people think they can't really, you know, cut at home and they have to go to someone. That is not true, you guys. I am not a pro. Like, I literally cut wigs on myself. Also, on mannequin heads. It's much easier on a mannequin head because you can get more, you know, leverage, I guess, and you won't, like, make it lopsided. So, yeah, I'm just going through and slowly cutting. Also, I want to say to make sure that your hair is wet when cutting, especially a bob. It is just best in my opinion because the hair doesn't make crazy messes and you can get more of like a vision of how your cut is going to be. And honestly, I feel like the cut is more blunt. When you're cutting dry hair, it doesn't really, you know, it doesn't really go as planned sometimes because it's so much hair and you gotta just like, the hair is condensed when it's wet, so it's easier for you to just cut, you know, snip it away and just brush any excess, and boom, you got a straight, well, somewhat straight line.
Okay guys, don't mind the background, but this is the hair, freshly blow dried. And let me just tell y'all, this is some of the softest hair that I've like literally ever felt, especially for it to only have been blow dried. And it's so beautiful, smells so good, and it's so soft. I don't know if it's because of the Adore that it smells so good, but sis, I am over here living, like, and it's just like nice and bouncy. And as you guys can see, the ends are cut. Now I might go in and trim a little bit more, I'm not sure. I did try it on and it was straight in my opinion, so we just about to flat iron sis. I haven't even cut the closure part off yet, but we'll get to it. But honestly, I am so obsessed with how black it is. It looks so good, so I'm really happy to see, you know, the end result. Okay guys, so sis is done. Don't mind that pizza over there. I was hungry, but yes, like, come through. So freaking pretty. This hair is extremely soft, like I cannot get over it. The cut looks so good in my opinion. I am so obsessed with it, and I did try it on already and I like how it looks. So, oh yes, come through.